Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here, from what we have here, which is 8 raised to power x minus 2 equals to 40 here. Next step, what we have here follows when we have a raised to power m minus n, which is same thing as a raised to power m over a raised to power n. That is here, this becomes 8 raised to power x over 8 square, then equals to 40 from here. And here we can write this as 8 raised to power x over 8 squared, as 64, and equals to, here we can write this as 40 over 1. And when we cross multiply here, 8 raised to power x times 1, same thing as 8 raised to power x, which is equals to 40 times 64 from here. The next step here, we take the log on both sides, and we have log 8 raised to power x equals to log 40 times 64 here. That is, from here we apply the power law of logarithm. When we have log m raised to power p, the same thing as p log m. That is, what we have here becomes x log 8 equals to log 40 times 64 here. That is, here we divide both sides by log 8. Divide this side by log 8. Also, divide this side by log 8, which implies log 8 cancel each other here. And we have x equals to log 40 times 64 over log 8 here. Then, and what we have here follows from the law of logarithm. When we have log a times b, the same thing as log a plus log b. That is, what we have here becomes x equals to log 40 plus log 64 all over log 8 here. The next step, we separate this into two fractions, and what we have becomes x equals to log 40 over log 8 plus log 64 over log 8. Then here we can express 64 as 8 times 8, which is 8 squared. And what we have here becomes x equals to log 40 over log 8, then plus log 8 square over log 8. Then here we apply the power law of logarithm. 2 comes here, and what we have becomes x equals to log 40 over log 8 plus 2 log 8 over log 8. Then here, log 8 cancel each other. We have 2 left here, and we have x now equals to log 40 over log 8 plus 2 here. Then from here as well, we can express 40 as 8 times 5. That is, what we have becomes x equals to log 8 times 5 over log 8 plus 2 from here. Then here, this also follows the law of logarithm, and this becomes x equals to log 8 plus log 5 over log 8 plus 2 here. That is, here we separate this into two fractions, and we have x equals to log 8 over log 8, then plus log 5 over log 8 plus 2 here. That is also log 8 cancelled each other here, and we have 1 left here, which implies x equals to 1 plus, here we can write 2 first, then plus log 5 over log 8. And here this becomes x equals to 3 plus log 5 over log 8 here. Then we can also express 8 as 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 raised to power 3. And what we have becomes x equals to 3 plus log 5 over log 2 raised to power 3 here. And when we apply the power law of logarithm, 3 comes here and we have x equals to 3 plus log 5 over 3 log 2 here, which also can be written as x equals to 3 plus 1 over 3 log 5 over log 2. And when we apply change of base here, from when we have log a over log b, which can be written as log a to base b, then what we have here becomes x equals to 3 plus 1 over 3 log 5 to base 2. So here we have the value of x in this given problem as x equals to 3 plus 1 over 3 log 5 is 2. Now let's check if this satisfies this given problem. That is, we substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 3 plus 1 over 3 log 5 base 2. And what we have becomes 8 raised to power 3 plus 1 over 3 log 5 is 2 minus 2 here is equals to 40 from here. That is, we can bring 3 minus 2 together, that's 1. So we have 8 raised to power 1 plus 1 over 3 log 5 is 2 is equals to 40 on this side. And from here, we can rewrite this from when we have a raised to power n plus n, which is same thing as a raised to power m times a raised to power n. Then what we have here becomes 8 raised to power 1 times 8 raised to power 1 over 3 log 5 is 2 is equals to 40 from here. Then here 8 raised to power 1, that's 8, then times here we can write it as 2 raised to power 3, then raised to power 1 over 3 log 5 is 2 is equals to 40 from here. That is, from here, this power multiplies, 3 here cancel each other. So we are left with 8 times 2 raised to power log 5 is 2. Then is equals to 40 from here. And from here, what we have follows when we have a raised to power log b to base a, which is equals to b. That is what we have here, same thing as 5. So we have 8 times 5 is equals to 40 from here. And of course, 8 times 5 here is 40, which is equals to 40 on this side. Now we have the left hand side equals to the right hand side. Hence, from here, we can conclude that x equals to 3 plus 1 over 3 log 5 is 2 satisfies this given problem. And thank you for watching us here at MasterTMathsclass. Don't forget these steps. Subscribe for more videos and turn the notification bell on. Share this video, give it a thumbs up and put your comment. See you next class and bye for now.